Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. This is continuation of commercial office design series. In this one, I am going to show you how I made this workstation design in very detail. So let's start. This is where we left off in the previous video. In this video, we need to do this workstation, right? But before that, I want to mention some more points. Like at this supplying unit, FCU units, actually we need to make some pipelines. Like if you observe this image, these are the pipelines I am talking about. You already know what tools you need to use and how we made this pipeline. Similarly, you can make this pipeline. Okay. And also one more thing, we need to make this one like we just stand this pipeline like in the air itself. We need to make some supports, right? From the ceilings there will be some supporting straps there like the I will show you in this image. See, there will be a flat strap around here and there will be some screws. So these are adjustable screws with which they can place the ducts and they can adjust the height and they can maintain the level. So at each pipeline we need to make, either we need to make like this or like this. These are all very small pipes, so they will make a ring. This is actually half ring and this is the full ring, and one strap and one screw. This is adjustable screw. Similarly at this FP line also, whatever we call fire protection pipeline, this one also same, we need to use the same this kind of straps. So let's start this with this one. So if you go, I will just double click and Alt C, just hide the rest of the model. Like first of all, easy way we can start with this. Okay, I'm just making two straps. On an average you can make. So on the W axis, like one line, I'll just simply take line in red color axis here and blue. Up to here I have made lines like this, and I will use a follow me tool. Before that, a cross section like a rectangle on the Z axis, like I will say 20, in Y direction 3. Oh, okay, no problem. Rotate, curate, and in this direction, and I will move whole rectangle at this point of this edge. I am placing this rectangle shape outside the outside this box. Now triple click on this line, make sure Control X. I just made this shortcut for X-ray view, so make sure you have selected each and every line, and Shift deselect this line and use follow me. I have assigned a shortcut to for the follow me. I have assigned Y. Either you can select here or you can press the shortcut and just click it. Okay, reverse faces are activated, no problem, we can reverse them. This is how we made this strap, right? And I will just triple click reverse face and make them as a group, and let's just say select this line and also this one. Oh. M control in that direction 3 mm, project like 50 mm. Oh, it's too much. Okay, 25 mm width. In that 25 mm we can place the screws and nuts into the 25. Like this I have made this strap. This is pretty much easy shot, right? Now from here onwards you can make this what we call a screw strap or screw support uh, I will make them later. Okay, I will just make them right now. Simply just I want to track this. See, if I go on this point, if you press upward mark, it will create only in Z axis, and while moving this one, you can see this red tracing. And accidentally if I move my cursor somewhere, or the tracking will be disappear. Whenever tracking is occurring, then hold shift. See, I am just moving my mouse away, but it is tracking the same line, right? If I remove my finger on the shift button, tracking will be displayed. So make sure while tracking only, hold shift and track this midpoint. So this will be exactly at the midpoint. So I will take this 5 mm. Oh, it may be too much. Let it increase 0.75. Okay, and somewhat in downward direction, and on this face it will go to ceiling, right? I'll see. Oh, it will be very near to the ceiling, I guess. Maybe it should be a little bit down. I'm thinking that would be enough. No problem at all. Just leave this for this one. Okay, and the top, simply use the offset command F as support. This one in downward direction like that. This could be a star. Simply triple click it, make it a group or make it a component so that you can apply at a time. By the way, I'm trying to apply the material whole body at a time. Like if you observe this one, it will be entirely white color. These lines are these are tube structure. They are representing the tube structure. So how the sheet metal is turned and made it like a tube. So leave that part. I want to assign this color, or either white or black I want to assign. Depends on our taste, we can make. So this one, right away if I made a group, if I apply any color to it, entirely all group will be applied at a time. So no need to bother about it. Simply M control from this midpoint to this midpoint, and select this strap and select this screw as well, and make them as a group, and same strap at the back side. M control. One more strap is done. Simply you can copy at multiple places. And one more thing I want to do right now, you need to focus here very much. Why? Because I want to make straps at this round. It is easy to draw a line, or if you want to track this circle, just double click it. Try to trace this. Right, you can copy this circle from here. M enter. Green, place somewhere over here. Let's just make it as a group. Okay, this is only the circular one, so group won't be possible. So after tracking this line, simply you can place a vertical line from this center onwards, like this. Get I'll see, make it at the roof, ceiling, and same this one, copy M control from this point in red axis, this one. Now you can erase this arc. Now it is arc. If you only double click it, because it is selecting each and every one. So I'll see, or now you can make it as a group, because combination of 3 curves, right? If you double click in this group, okay, right, now you can make this a half strap, and these are like a screw. Okay, by the way, if I move, half of the circle is still there. I will cut this one, Control X, and I will erase this arc. Just click outside so that it will be come out of the group, and edit, paste in place. Now there is my arcs. So simply what I want to do, I will just delete these two lines. Later on we will create that again. Similarly, I want to use follow me tool to make the straps. You can use another tools, but here it will create only like tubes, not the flat strap. So we need to make the rectangle for that. So z axis 20, 3. Okay, Control Z means 3, 20, right? Now it's okay. Simply select, okay, it is divided, I guess. Select this one like this, and Y for the follow me, my shortcut, and this is the strap. If you go outside, see, now if you double click it, M, okay, same process what I have done for the previous one. See, while moving this one, actually it is a curved one, so we can't make that like that. So what you can do, I will do one thing, I will select this one, P, Control, so that it will create a new face, 3 mm, and P like this way. Now you don't need to press the Control, so in direction 20 or 25, and erase these two. Actually it is a cross one, I will adjust that later. Just let me finish this way also. How to adjust this parallel, like simply you can just move the face. Okay, I'll see. Actually it is moving too far, right? That's why I just switched off that one. Select this face like this, and select this face, M. While moving upward, press Z and try to trace this point. Now it is parallel, right? I'll see. You can observe. Right. Now you can make screw. To make this one, actually what we did, we just go on inside this group and I just copy this circle, right? This is like a little bit somewhat lengthy process. I want to show one more. So what do I do really means, outside of this group itself, first of all I will try to draw a rectangle like this, and an average, no need for the values. Just move this one to cover this tubing entirely in red color axis, right? Move somewhere where you want to make the strapping. Okay, after that just select this face, right click, intersect faces with the model. What happened? A circle is created over there. If you remove this circle will be still here. Actually it is not the circle anymore, it is divided. Now you can make it a group, and if you go inside that group, and line, just 2 lines in W direction, I just drawn this line so that you can easily erase the unneeded portion. Once you have done one thing or one step, you can simply copy number of, right? Similar way you can track this cross section and make the another strapping. And if you want to see how we made this for normal this pipeline, similar process. Here I have made a arc. Here you can go with the circle itself, right? Circle with the tubing directly. You can go with those tabs. So for the time being, I will cut the video and I will finish each and every strapping. Let's hide this HVAC unit so that we can work on this workstation. So I will select like this. Make sure you didn't select any others, right? And let's just check and try to move. Okay, this and control. Now everything. Oh, okay. I will just check like that so that we can make sure we are not selecting any other than this ceiling unit. And I will make it a group, and I will simply make my camera like this, and I will hide this, and I will add one more scene so that we can interchange between these scenes. Okay, now as per drawing, if you look at here in this workstation, they have mentioned like a 20 seating capacity, and they have arranged like two different rows, and here some distance is there. Let's measure. If you measure from here to here, like 1600, which means 5 feet is more than 5 feet. Okay, more than 5 feet walk space over here, and if you look at here, nearly 4 feet walk space over here. So what I was thinking, if we arrange like this, this will be like usually workstation workbench should be 5 by 2. 700 means more than 2 feet, and this one is like 1600. See, more than 5 feet. 5 by 2 table is here, and between for this seating arrangement, between table to table, 800 means almost half, 2.5 feet, right? So like 2 feet 7 inches, 2 feet 8 inches, like that. What I was thinking, like this is like a little bit congested one. What I was planning, if we make a table like this way, let's just check. So we can make like a long table, like a single table, on that opposite side 4 seating, like this way, and here some workspace similar to that, copied here, and one more thing here at this half. Or you can make a very long one. Why? Because here is workspace and here is workspace, so no need to give the space here. What I was thinking, like here 4 seating, like I will make 5 seating 5 way, I mean 10 by 10, sorry, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, like that I will make the seating arrangement. Let's just say what I want here, like L. So 5 means 5 by 5 means 25 feet length needed. I mean a table, a normal workstation table will be 5 feet, so we need 5 seating. 5 seating capacity means 5 into 5, 25 feet. 25, I am just using directly feet, imperial values in matrix, so 25 feet, click enter. And in this direction 2.5 feet, and in this direction same red color axis, like this. So this could be a single table. Let's just say here it's like 79 means almost more than 5 feet. In this area major part is over here, so what I was thinking, workstation mean there is no need for workspace over here, but we will just decrease like 3 feet, something like that, or I will take like a 3 feet, and I will move up to here. So 3 feet workspace in this direction. So this would be more than 5. See, 2000 mm means nearly more than 6 feet, something like that. Okay, we will move further 1 feet more. So with the 5 seating capacity, we are using 4 feet workspace over here and 5 feet workspace over here. This could be good. So this is like 2.5 feet. So what I want, like I want 2 tables, means in this way 5 persons, in this way 5 persons. So I will just simply copying this one. I will erase the 11. So this table we can use for 5 by 2 means 2 rows, 5 seating capacity. I will increase to 1.5 push pull. Oh, not for 1.5 mm, 1.5 inch, 1.5. Use this symbol and click enter. So 1.5 inches, this would be work table. Make it as a group, and M from the ground to 2.5 feet. 2.5 feet. This is the standard dimension for a workstation. And what I want to use on the both sides, like I will make like a cross pattern table. So I will again double click it and make it again a group, separate group, and L in this direction 2.5 feet, and in this direction like this, and here up to here only, and close it here. And I want into I want a frame with a cross shape, so I will use offset and 1 inch cross rod, and I will okay, in the middle we need one more pipe like this. M control 0.5 inch, click enter, and in this direction 1 inch, enter. Now delete. Next the cross lines, these are all like pipings. I will draw one line. I will use like a square pipe like that. T in this direction 0.5 inches, in this direction 0.5 inches. So we'll draw a line like that, and one thing like that, and the middle one erase. Okay, again draw one more line. T 0.5 over 0.5 inch, in this direction 0.5 inch, one more line like this, and like this. Okay, I will erase these. Oh, one second, just erase these. Okay, if you select this one, whole internal part will be selected. Control this endpoint to this endpoint. See, now we have 2 holes. We can erase these now. Okay, simply select these spaces, delete. Now we can push pull it to 1 inch. So 1 inch square pipe structure, this is one. Okay, triple click and make it a component, or we can make this as a component, and I will control red color axis at this end. Oh, we picked the wrong end. Control pick this end and place it over here, and in between you need 5 places. So 5 divisions means divided by 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5 seating capacity, like that. And to divide these two workspaces, so we are going to make one more frame like this. We simply can copy this one, Q, control, like this. See, almost equal, no problem. Just move it, okay, not here. And I will use scale, just scale it to here and just place it in the middle. Try to pick this middle point, green color axis, this middle point. See, now it's done. Simply you can copy, control, pick this point, red color axis, pick this point, and multiply by 1 2 3 into 3. Sorry, actually 4. That's it. So this is how we have created a work bench. This is workstation bench. So this would be iron, black color iron frames, and this one wood. To divide these two spaces, I will use place this line at the middle, line control 0.5 inch, this line move 0.5 inch, push pull, like only 9 inches. Why? What we are planning here, like we will place a workstation here. Okay, right beside we need to plan a like a small desk to put books or whatever records and all. A small desk. Just to divide these two benches, I have made this small partition like that. And after that, okay, like say line or T in this direction. How much space we need? Like a normal shelf would need 1.5 feet, 1.5 feet, enter. So I am making a rectangle in Z direction like this. It won't track sometime at the end point, so that's why I will make this like this. And push pull, this would be like 2 feet. Okay, this is a shelf. Oh, probably the width is too much. Make it like 15 inch means 3 inches inside. 15 inch shelves. Make it as a component. Create and erase this one. Now try to place right beside this one. Okay, and this one would be in this direction. So this workstation is divided like 2 same to same. Control and red color axis at this one. Actually we place right on top, so here X4. Okay, these are workstations. So how can you divide these shelves? Simple shelf. Okay, offset 0.75 inches, and inside again half, which means this would be 1 feet height, and control in the top 0.35 inches, in this direction 0.7 inches. Okay, this one we make shelves Just for the design, I'm just using M control. In this direction 1 feet. Okay. Oh, no. 9 inches. And here 0.75. Oh, 0.75 inches. And in this one 9 inches and 0.75 inches. Okay. So these are our shelves. Okay, now push pull to the end, like what we have given, 15 inches to 14 inches. Double click. Oh, or trace this face, double click. This is how we have made the shelves. So we can place books or records, whatever we can place. And at this workstation we can place the computer over here and a chair. For this video, just for simplicity, I will use computer and chair blocks. No need to make them personally, because there are amazing models which are available for free. Okay, this is how it is, and I will just use the tape measure and green axis. We are having a seat over here, right? Seating. Literally we can place we can leave 2.5 will be more than enough. So here one seat 2.5, another seat 2.5, so which means 5 feet we need to leave. So on an average I am using 5.5 feet. So show the direction 5.5 feet, click enter. Okay, this will be between two seating. We just left only 5 feet, right? We have plenty of place, so we can leave 2 or 3 more feet, 3 feet more. So M control in green color axis, try to pick on this line and erase this, right? And by the look itself we can observe there are plenty of places for walking and sitting and all. So this is how we have made this workstation. So now we need to place the chairs. I will do one thing. Actually, these shelves are components, right? If we place one chair over here, automatically it will copy respective. See, I have copied this chair from 3dwarehouse.com, and I have placed over here single one. I just Control X to cut the chair, and double click, go inside this group and edit paste in place. Oh my, actually these are like just simple copies, right? Not mirror copies. That's where we're getting to Control Z. I will do one thing. We just made a mistake. Just delete these half and select these 5. Use the mirror, pick this midpoint. Oh. Mirror, pick this midpoint and red axis and blue. Now these are mirror copies, right? And similarly we need to do the same thing over here. Go to this component and edit paste in place. See, now it's good. Why it is 2? Oh, okay. Just a mistake, that's it, I guess. Okay, go into this group. Oh, these are the ones. See, these overlap, so we need to place at the proper position. M Alt C for these chairs, like that. See, it's a perfect position for the shelf. This is why I have made these as components, or you can place in this one also, but we can't make this kind of a mirror shape, right? That's why I have made this one component and make it as a mirror. Anyhow, you need to understand groups and components. Similarly, we can do the computers. I will copy computer. Okay, I have copied this laptop, this desktop model. This is also from 3dwarehouse.com only. And similarly, I have copied this one and just Control X, double click, go inside this group, edit, paste in place. Oh, okay. See, now it's done. So we have copied the computers, chairs. Oh, we need to place some decoratives like books and all. I have those models also, so just try to fill this with books or some decoratives as per your taste. Okay, with the books and other decorative items, I have filled these shelves. So this is crowded. See, the workstation, the model what we have done here is pretty much filled up with all the models. So it is quite laggy, right? See, even you're getting this kind of bounding boxes only, means it is creating too much weight on the process. So if you are using a very good system which will help you to model very large models, but my system is mid-end, so I can't use I can't make such big models. What I do in real time is I will just use proxies in the what we call Enscape objects. We can link the models, right? Simply I will save it as a separate model and I will link with it, and as it is the component itself, copy those proxies. Automatically it will copy all our in all the components. So just for tutorial purpose, I just copied, just to show you, I just copied a normal, but in general I will use these linked models. As you wish, you can do however you want, but in this situation the system is lagging a little bit. So what I will do, styles, go to edit and remove the tick mark at the profiles and dashes. Only at the edges you keep the tick mark, and rest of it just remove it. You can observe, really it is see, it is working really good, right? It is very laggy. If your profiles are on, switched on, it is very much laggy. If your profiles, if you remove the tick mark before the profiles, see, it is getting pretty much faster. You better use workstations, or for the practice you can manage with this kind of simple tips. Okay, let's continue. Here we have placed like 20 by total 20 workstation capacity. Now it's time for us to decorate. Go to here. So actually in this style we didn't save this one. So profiles and dashes, I just removed it and I will just update it. It will give you a message, warning message like would you like to do the style change? Yes, update this and make sure you save the file. Okay, and after saving that, now we need to assign materials. As per my plan, I will update like one by one. First, go to in model. These are the materials already present in from all the models I have copied. Okay, now if you click here, it's turn to default material and click new material. Here I will use color wheel. For these tubings I want to use white. Just for some indication I will choose random color and click OK and click on this one. See, it will apply all the models as is in that group. And now what I will do, I will go to edit and go to RGB. Just make sure everything will be 250 by 250. So it is white. And I just for the design I want to use black or a black paint on these screws. Oh, there will be some errors here and there. You need to make sure everything is good. what I was planning, like this one is a glass window, right? So either you can add any color, and the opacity, if you might go to below 10 or whatever, in this kind of range, it will automatically create like a glass pattern. Click here, and this is a glass. And for this entire area, what we are covering, like these walls, and this is not covering, but by the way, I will give wooden rafters. Okay, select these textures. I have downloaded some textures on various sites. Actually, I will keep plenty of my collection. You better do yours as well. Planks. Okay. Yep, this is the one. Or I will do one more thing, like I will use this one. Okay. Double click on this one. Okay, it is horizontal, but I want in vertical way. If you click here, material editor, just rotate it in the textures itself. Just close it and save it, and it will turn to vertical. Next, what, like 100 mm. If I use 1000, oh, yep, this is how I want. Okay, next, okay, yeah, this side also same. Wall will be same. Actually, I forgot something to tell you. If you look at here, the pipeline going through this wall. What you will do, you will make a hole for that. See? Okay. Is it accurate? No. What do you do? In the right, this one. In this, if you go like this way with this bounding box, it will select everything from left to right. It will select only this. I'll see. Just a bit like this, and not like this. By the way, this will be like an average. You don't need to be precise. Holes will be around like 1 feet, 2 feet, depends. You can make however you want. No, that's fine. Now what I want to do, same texture between here. Okay, and click outside, and I want one more thing, like this is the glass, and here also the same wooden rafters, and here as well, here and here. That's it. Okay, and here. That's fine. Actually, if we take wide shot, they may cover. That's why I'm just applying that. And at these walls, I want to use brick texture, exposed brick texture. That is the industrial thing. And over here, I will leave it as it is. Why did I apply any? No. See, first of all, I will use one more color. Okay, and next, it is everything's fine. Oh, not on this flooring. Okay, now go to edit and RGB, go to white, so white color only. I have applied outside the blocks, outside the group name. Everything will be applied with the same color, but specifically if you select any face, that won't change. Even if you apply on the outside the box, that won't change. That won't affect that particular face only. Yeah, this one, briquette. Click OK. This one too. that will be white, and here we need to increase this size. 1000, no, a little bit more, 1500, furthermore 2500. Yep, almost. Almost. It's not looking like pretty decent. Oh, white is okay. To wide one, so 9. You can increase furthermore 30. Okay, that's enough. See, if you look at here, okay, V, and you can observe like that. I mean, you can orient your screen and you can place. I have applied the brick texture over here, and this one wooden rafter planks and white color tubings. Oh, I want black color on the pipes actually. I will use color wheel. Don't go real black, just over here. Why? Because we will apply metallic properties. I'll see to this block. If you apply outside the block, you can change again and again. And this one and this one. Oh my, not that. Not quite as I thought. Yep, everything's fine. Fine. Okay, but in fact we need to apply red. White, maroon. What would be maroon? Yeah, this color for the FP, fire protection pipelines. This is why you always try to make blocks or components. If I make one component, it should be applied to all. I forgot to do that, so I have to apply each and everything separately, right? So fire protection is there, and this one also there. I think I have applied white color for this. Yes, everything is good. And this are the straps. Okay, black. And this is how it is. As per our instruction, at the workstation, flooring will be resin, epoxy resin, right? It is mentioned like a gray color epoxy resin, but I have chosen wood for that. Why? Because I am using little brown tinted bricks. Actually, this is a decorative bricks. So a sticker, wall sticker. I mean, we can make these kind of wallpapers and we can stick them. And this is for rafters, wooden rafters. So matching with this color, I want to choose one floor. And if you double click on the floor, see, we are not going to apply each and everything, only up to here. I'll just see this one, M green up to here, and this line M up to here. Okay, I will move furthermore like this, and it will match with this one. Yep, inside. Okay, everything's fine. So only with this only at this area I will use wooden flooring. I will show you some samples. What kind of a flooring would be very much suitable for this. First of all, planks. I have chosen this one. This kind of plank texture would be much suitable at this location, or this kind, but actually this is not seamless, so I'm not using it. I need to make it as a seamless. And one more floorings, where is it? You can use this kind. and this type elbow type flooring, or there is anything this kind L shape. This one is like a cross. See, this kind of a cross herringbone type. No, this is not herringbone, this is crossed arrow type texture. This is herringbone. We call that shape as herringbone texture, herringbone shape. Okay, either you can use this kind of texture also, but this is a kind of dark dark one which won't suit this texture, so we need to use light colors only. Go through all available textures or go to online and select whatever you are looking for. But what I was thinking, actually this is one, this is the dark one, this is the light one. Actually I have chosen this one. 2048 means 2K image, so this, which is why it is 6 MB, quite large one. That's why I have copied another one and I have decreased the size. 1024, it will be only 1.8 MB. Simply I will select it, select only that area and apply the material. Adjust the scale as per the look. 1000, no, 3000, 3000 suits. See, this one is good enough. And one more thing, we need to adjust the material at the tables also. Before that, actually this is the frame, wooden frame. I didn't create any frame for this one. We need to create one frame. Simply I will do it here. Okay, this frame is done. And what okay, with the similar color or with this dark or blue, between these two you need to choose one. For this I am choosing oak for the okay, I didn't apply any material. First of all, create material with the oak. This one. Okay, and I click OK. For this oak material and for this too, and increase the texture size. Okay, okay, oak texture for this benches. The same for this shelves, and this one black, metallic black. Directly, see, now this is why I made it as a component. And the same black on this. No, this would be chrome, would be nice. Or for the matching, I will simply make it a dark one. Color is quite dark. Okay, not problem. We can adjust the materials later. And for the chair color, if you go purple like that, these are like pop-up colors. So if you want to go really pop-up for your furniture, then you can use that kind. Okay, I just use that kind of yellow. Already cloth texture is there, I just use the RGB on it. And if you want a little bit more like a detailed one, in this Apple TV, this screen, this is actually black color. If you want to add specific TV screen for that, download any, if you search our online, you can download a TV screen or a computer screen kind of images. I have downloaded yeah, I have downloaded this kind. Click open, click OK and apply on this. If you look at it here, like this kind of texture here. So what you need to do, right click, texture, position, this endpoint to this and this endpoint to that. Still that is not adjusted. If you click shift once, it will turn to this kind. You can if this turn in this kind of white pattern, you can assign individual position. I will teach you that later. Now like this, click enter. See, done and done. We have completed almost everything. Like we have placed the workstations and even shelves and everything we have completed, and some wall decor and even HVAC also we have completed, but we need to provide lighting. What I was thinking, like I want to place chandelier, long chandeliers on each table, like on top of this tabling, like a rectangular chandelier light at some feet height on each table. If you want, you can provide some wall mounted lights also, but that's too much. That's unnecessary. Like we can provide some safety lights, like when the power goes up, they will automatically light on a battery. But in real life we can provide those things, but for this view, like I want to place a decor type of lighting only, so that I am going to make a chandelier. So usually chandeliers should be 7 feet above the flooring. Okay, so for that let's just make a sample. Like I will draw a line. Where to where? Okay, T from this direction, let's just say 1 feet. Okay, and here also 1 feet, and in this direction I want it to be like here, like 9 inches. Oh my, 9 inches. Okay, 9 inches. That's good. And here also 9 inches. I have taken these only just for reference. Okay. Next, what to do? I will draw a rectangle from this point in Z direction. I need to intersect up to here. Like I will take this point and select this line and move. Red color axis, try to pick this point on this line. So this is okay. Now these are on here, so I delete them. Next, I will take offset. This is the light thickness. How much? Probably it will be 3 inches. 3 inches, and I will delete insert face. So this is going to be light. Okay, push pull around 3 inches, and I will take this as a group, and inside that group F some 10 mm, take 10 mm, no 5 mm. Okay, and F from this take like this 60, 65, 65. Okay, and push a little bit inside. That's it. So I can assign MSO material over here and some black color metallic paint on top of it. Okay, let's just take a color. Anything you can choose. A little bit yellowish would be good. And at the name itself, you know already Enscape material, how to create Enscape material. I have already created several videos and even a dedicated video also. You can check on it once. At the name itself, you need to assign that shortcuts or key bindings. EMISSIVE and click OK and try to apply on this face. Okay, and exit the group, and on top of it a black color material. This could be metallic paint, and outside the group, right? Now the chandelier would be at 7 feet height. So take a line, 7 feet, click enter, and move this, take this end point, Z direction, take this point. So the chandelier is in 7 feet height. Okay, even 7 feet kind of, I'm too close to the workbench, so I will take one more 6-inch, click enter. 7.5 is okay, looking good. Fine. Simply double click on it, triple click, or make it a group, or yeah, I didn't make any group. T from this direction 1.5 feet. Okay, I will make one circle. So on an average, take this circle, see, and 0.5 inch. Try to push it. I'll see. Okay. Oh, it is intersecting with the pipe. So, which means this pipe is intersecting this, means select only this face, M, in this direction 5 inches. Okay, and the same in this direction, green axis 5 inches. Just decrease the size of it. Next, take push pull to this. Alt C once, again Alt C. Yeah, this is a pain by making the models. Up to this space, right? Almost. So double click, just a little 1 inch, right? Now it is not intersecting with any of it. Next, select this face, offset 2 inches, and push pull just a little. If you triple click, everything will be selected. Just with this window, select only this one. Either you can make it as a group or not, that's up to you. I will make it as a group so that we can copy easily. And I will mirror using this command, mirror right, select these two, and it is also not intersecting any of it. M control 3 feet, and let's see how many into 4. Oh, into 5, into 6, into 7. Oh, 7 is too much. Okay, I will take all these. I will try to make this at the center level. Furthermore, like this. On an average, I am just moving, not so much accurate. And just check each and everything whether these 1. See, it is intersecting UBC. These two M also. No, it is not. Is there anything? No. In this direction, it is not. Here also. No, it's not intersecting, right? Everything is fine. Oh my, here it is intersecting. Select these two. I am selecting these two at a time. Should be parallel, right? Okay, somewhere like this. So everything's good. Everything's good. Everything's good. So if you want, you can move further more like this. Right now it's good. Let's see once. Okay. So perfectly. I just made this chandelier. Okay. If you would make this table as a component, you can simply copy inside that component. Maybe I didn't do that, so I will copy separately. I think everything is fine. And select this M control, this green axis, this point. And check here as well whether any intersections. No, fine, everything's, oh yeah, everything's fine. Here also, wow, this one is perfect. Everything is good, right? So we have made the lighting as well. Everything's perfect. Now it's time for us to make this render. So first of all, we will start the Enscape and we are going to adjust the material settings. Actually, we have created using these default SketchUp materials, but for Enscape, we need to adjust the properties. So we will start the Enscape and we will do that settings. I have resized this window so that I can I can see Enscape and SketchUp even everyday properties in a single screen. And one more thing, I will I had dragged out this default tray so that this is going to be size of my render. Actually, at the render settings, where the capture, I choose the custom resolution and use as a viewport aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio I have fixed, that will be the render width and height. So and I have selected 1920 like 1080p as aspect ratio. So by the way, while making renders, you can choose however you want. Either you can go with ultra full HD or however you want, but I use this, so which is the perfect for my screen, and I can share good quality of image with this. And one more thing, you can go beyond your limits. I have recently updated my graphic card. Enscape use external graphics like NVIDIA or AMD, whatever the company you can choose, but it should be more than 2 GB. I have recently updated to 2060, so which is 6 GB VRAM. So with it, I can easily create ultra HD quality within 30 seconds. That is not even 14 seconds only, ultra HD quality, which is really good. So even that is why I love very much this Enscape software. If you can look at here, it is quite dark. Why? We didn't place any lightings, and as I told you, this is a window, right? And outside, like you can see, this is my HDR image. Actually, I had downloaded it from hdrheaven.com. So I usually keep this for normal interior renders. So, but for this one, it is not quite good, right? So first of all, you can choose the lighting with the HDRA, or you can create a rectangular light to create the lighting, but this lighting is not good. So shift and right click. Okay, this is not actually, if you use atmosphere, shift right click, you can change the time of the day, but this is the HDRA, so we can't change it. Simply settings, Atmosphere, don't use the skybox, I will use like town. Now you can oh sorry, oh this is quite different, right? Now you can change the time of the day. Shift right click. Okay. And if you want to adjust the lighting, you can also adjust with the exposure. Image, no, rendering exposure. If you select auto exposure, you can view the scene. See, perfectly lit up, right? Enscape auto exposure is quite useful, but I don't use this right now. I want to adjust all the material first of all, then I can use the auto exposure. So for now I will use this bar, okay, somewhere like this. Now we need to adjust the material one by one. Actually, by looking at it, I'm not liking this wall texture, quite darky feel, so we will change that. Okay, first of all go one by one, close this and simply select this material, select picker and select this at the material settings. First of all, roughness, decrease the roughness, go here or somewhere out here where you can observe the shininess and all. Yeah, here we can observe the shininess. Too much glossy, decrease a little. And if you use metallic, see, it is look like a chrome, right? So don't go beyond limits. This one is nice. I want to increase a little bit roughness. See, adjust these values up to your liking, which will give you much good effects. Specular, okay, everything's nice. Like it look like a coating, right? White paint. Decrease roughness more. No. Okay. If you use metallic, yeah, somewhat. Okay, I'm starting to like it. This metalness maybe too much. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And for this black paint, this is also same roughness like this. These are not metallic paints. Okay, so I want to use small metalness, so just increase the metalness and increase the glossiness, roughness, decrease roughness. See, I already told you don't go more blackness. If you use the metallic property, it will look like not that good, right? So I will just decrease somewhat, right? It's okay for now. The same thing with this one too, so pick it up with this. Same thing. Okay, see, observe here the roughness properties, a little bit metallic, then more. Too much metallic. Okay, that's fine. I already entered MSC material on it, so it is reading. Now this one too, this one also metallic paint. Just now towards it. Roughness and metalness too much. Okay, that's fine. And change the intensity of this color. You can adjust over here too, just a little bit dark, this kind. Okay, This one is good. Okay, that's fine. Everything on top, everything is okay. And try to adjust this rafter settings. Color picker and pick. Actually, I want to increase the size a little bit more. Edit 2. Oh, too much. 1 and 5. And why I'm increasing the scale means if you are looking from this long shot, it's not visible that much, right? That's why. Either you can use the texture or you can create the rafter shape, then after you can apply wood material on it. That's up to your choice. Okay, by the way, while going for material setting for the wood, you have to use this shininess, little bit glossiness furthermore, and use bump. I use albedo. Obviously it will create this bump, texture height, everything okay, but 3 is usually in 2.8 it is creating 3 bump value, but it is too much. Around 0.5 below 1 is quite good, like it will create a pattern really good. Oh, little bit more glossiness. Okay, that's fine. And we need to change this texture. Later on we can change that. And about this flooring, same wood material properties. So select this, use this glossiness a little bit more. The more glossy, it will look really classy. Okay, use albedo, but too much rough. I already told you. Like here you can set the value like 0.15. Why 0.15? Actually it's a flooring, so the more glossy look will create really amazing. The view will be really good if you are using the glossiness on flooring. It will be too odd if you didn't use any, not even a single scratch on it. So that's why I just use a little bit, very little pump. Even you can decrease furthermore, 0.15 or 0.10. Okay. So from here we need to take the render. Okay, one more thing. Yeah, this one on table with this wood. Everything is the same wood, right? So we can just here. Okay, glossiness. Why it's not looking okay. Observe from here. Use albedo. Set the value to 0.1. That's good enough. And too much glossiness, right? Little bit. Decrease the little bit. Rough. Increase the roughness. And up to your taste you can choose. But I am going a little bit glossy kind of. This one also nice. And here on this one, this is also metallic paint, right? This one, roughness and metalness, and decrease the intensity little bit. Yep. Okay, little bit more blackness. Okay. Actually I don't like this shape. If you observe here, it is already applied with some properties. How come? See, metal, the name itself, it is here when we copy this model, here the name, the material we whoever designed this chair applied with this name, so it is applied with the metallic properties. So try to decrease the intensity very little. Yep, that's good. And we will change the material of this chair. I am not liking this very much. Okay, one more thing before that. For this monitor, we need to apply emissive on this texture. Usually these reflections should be on this patterns and all. Select this image, simply select emissive, too much emissive, decrease the intensity. Yep, now it's good. And one more thing what to do. So everything's okay, just okay. Flooring, everything and all. Wow, I need to change this wall texture and this chair texture both. So before that, first of all, look everything attracting with this wall. So first of all, we'll change this wall. Okay, material. So everything is white, so I want to use white color bricks. So edit, either use white color bricks or patterned exposure. How about this one? Damn, not like it. I don't like it. How about this? This is not seamless. Okay, how about this one? Seamless white bricks. Yeah, kind of looks good, but the texture scale is off. 3000 and too much. 2 no 1000. Little bit more, 1500. Yep, 1500. Okay, observe here and you can estimate the size. It should be realistic, right? On the brick wall we don't need to apply anything. The material properties, you don't need to apply any roughness or anything, and even everything is okay. If you want, you can just decrease the roughness. Let's somewhat shininess will be taken, very much little. Okay, everything's fine. If you can observe, the shadow is already taking place. If you use LB further, if you apply any bump map, it won't affect that much. Even if you change it, see, nothing is going to happen. That is why don't need to bother that much if you are using this kind of brick material. So everything's okay. Everything's okay. So we need to take this kind of, this one is off. So double click and select right tick position. Okay, this one and this one. Enter. See, okay, little bit more. Just decrease it. Okay, simply with the picker select this on this face and apply on here. See, the same scale will be applied on this face. Okay, that's okay. Next, what to do? Need to take the render, right? I will position my camera like this. Okay, here that's okay with it. Not much of area is covering, so Go to here, fill up. Already 84 degrees is there. Want to increase furthermore. Now that's cool. Decrease this height. See, yeah, I have chose this city. What we call the atmosphere. The horizon source. I have selected the city so that it is creating this kind of look. What do you feel? I mean, outside it is looking very much bright. If you want, you can decrease the brightness. The rendering, adjust the exposure. Too much. Okay, that's fine. 60, or apply the value here 60. And everything is okay, I guess. It is looking good, but the top wall is not that much catchy. So what do we do? Just pick this wall. I mean, why I'm doing this? It is not okay. It is default material. We didn't apply any material on it. I will create a sample material on it. Okay, and I will apply on this place. Okay, now we need to apply some plaster or concrete material on this, which will fill up this view. So what we need to do? Edit. I will take sample concrete material. Yeah, this is also okay. This may suits. So I will try to open this one. See, fill up with the concrete. Yeah, that's good actually. That's good one. Okay. If you observe from this direction or like this, see, it is creating some empty space. That's why I'm viewing this from this angle. Okay, that's good. Everything is good, but it is too dark. So what we need to do? We need to increase the lightness. Go to color wheel, increase the light. Furthermore, little bit less. Okay, by looking at it, actually I don't feel like it is empty. That's why I just use this one. So further more darkness, or you can use a little bit more darkness, or open the material setting. There we can play something. No need to use the roughness, as it's not the shiny one. Okay, just a bit, just for reflections and all. The roughness I want to use rough material. Pretty rough material with some glossy. Yeah, kind of with this area it is good. Okay. I think that's good, but I don't like these seeds. Actually, we have white and wood combination, so probably these seeds either should be in white color, or you can use matches with the wood, not the yellow. So I will choose this material and I will try to apply what we do. Okay, we set this color, not the gray. Increase the lightness. This is how white seating look like. Oh, don't like it. If you like it, you can go with white, or what I am thinking, how about leather? Which leather suits this situation? If I use this one, okay, bad, don't like it. This one, oh my, this is too dark. No, leather with white is actually white suits, or how about black? How about black? Black leather is the black leather. Where is the black leather? This one. Black also suits, but it's getting too dull at this area, so I don't like this black. By the way, white is good enough. This one, probably it is too much for this, that's why. Yeah, I'm going back to the fabric, go with the white. Okay, not so bad. Material properties, things little bit there. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. It is white is looking like a pink. Okay, 27 and 27. That's fine. Or if you play somewhat dark colors, not at all good. See, actually this one taking the pinkish 27 and 27. Okay, I will leave it for now. Okay, I'm good with it. I don't have any problem with it, so everything's okay. What we can do more? The outside, this is occupying too much lightness, everything and all, so we need to play with the atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere, town or urban. Oh, why yellowish? Don't like it. Construction site. If it is too much, you can decrease. Oh, this one. Sun brightness. Decrease the sun brightness. See, if you decrease the sun brightness, you can see the outside. This one okay. Okay, look around. Okay, it's okay. It's like creating these pipelines, everything looking good. Okay. Okay, place like this. If you want, you can decrease furthermore. Like if you go to 0, dull, at least use 10 or 5. And if they are rendering auto exposure, no auto exposure, increase the exposure little bit too much. 61. Okay. I think it's perfect. Okay, I'm starting to like this. What about the brick wall? Can we do anything more about it? See, while the rendering itself, you need to choose, or you can play around with your textures a lot. Up to your tasting, you can change how many times you want. Okay, just playing. We already knew we have applied this one like a white brick texture, or can we do something else? This is also, oh, this one is pop-up one. This one is a normal brick texture. If you use this, so it is filling up with the color, so I don't like it. Anything more you can do? By the way, if I use this one now, try to adjust the scale. Previously we have done 1500. See, this one, like this pattern is like exposed brick texture, we call it. Sometimes in some situation this is also creates some very good looking effect. So depends. Just try to play around with the textures where do you feel satisfied, then apply with that material. So now it is looking good, I guess. I don't know why, but I'm feeling like this one is much pretty now. Play around with the scale or what to do. Okay guys, like I am feeling this one also looking good. Okay, and also this one also, this size. Okay, okay, I'm using this one, and link, change the link 1500. Okay guys, now I'm stopping over here. I'm going to take this render, simply this one, render it, take a shot. If you feel something more you can do with it, you can try it and you can share. Please try to do, where we have left some, I think we have left some parts there and I have left it for you to do. Or you can come up with some more ideas, you can do however you want. You can change the chandelier designs, you can change the workstation design, however you want. Do something and try to share over here. At my community, at my page also, you can share your work. Please share your work. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Take care.